we are planning a very unique Lingabhai temple, much larger than what's happening at all. So the temple is planned in a very exuberant manner. A very, very fierce and intense feminine form in the form of Lingabhai is being created. I'm very excited. Nobody has excited me this much in the last many years. It's going to be something very interesting and intriguing for people who have not seen such things in their life before. It's a very significant process, and this is a different level of science. It will be a blessing to witness that. Consecration is a science through which we can enliven a certain space or a certain form in such a way that you can't believe possible. You can generate an energy form which becomes alive and lives forever, and you can call forth. This is a way of making divine available to people, not just for worship, to walk with you, to live with you, to dance with you, to breathe with you.
Baby, bye.
So, if all of you give it a push, it must happen soon.
Hara Hara
because
Mahadev.
a city like Bangalore, I think needs a spiritual spot. Strong spiritual
ತಿರುಪತಿಗೆ
spot.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ
Where
ದರ್ಶನ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲಂತೆ
people,
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್
irrespective of
ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ದಂಗೆ
religious
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
affiliation,
ನಾನು ಪೂನಮು ಅವ್ರ ಗಂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಎಲ್ಲ
gender,
ಅವಾಗ ರೂಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 150 ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ತಿರುಮಲದಾಗ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ
without any discrimination, make
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಳ ಕಾಯ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ 700-800 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರೂಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡೋದು
science and well-being. This is the science of liberation.